Today, as requested, we're doing some more Lexus stuff. Hello everyone and welcome back to Marty Motoring. Here again on a weekend doing another Lexus video. We're here in the 4Runner today instead of the Camaro, and we're headed to Jess's house once again. That's Diva Car Mania. Last time I was over there, we installed the VLAND headlights and taillights, but we didn't have time. We ran out of time to position and point the headlights and get it to where the high beams work well and everything. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Hopefully I can show you the whole process and we can get that done. I just want to give a reminder to keep it respectful in the comments. We had talked about collaborating for a while and we're finally getting around to it. Let's head there now. All right, everybody, we're back here at Jess's house. And here again is her IS250. What we did just do is replace a high beam fuse because the high beams weren't working for some reason, and I was scared it might be the headlights, but it was actually just a fuse, so that's awesome. Makes it super easy. I also showed her how the windows go down when you hold the unlock button for 3 to 5 seconds. Of course, that is something that you have to program from the dealer, or if you have Toyota TechStream like I do. So for today, the only thing left to do is point and adjust the VLAN headlights so that they're level and they don't blind other drivers. Because when they come from the factory or wherever they come from in China, they don't, I mean, they're just pointed however. So you wanna get a nice cutoff line so that you don't blind other drivers and you can actually see at night. So. Also, when we installed these lights in the last video, I forgot to mention you have to pull the AFS fuse from the dash. It's a 7.5 amp fuse. It's actually in the instructions for the VLAN headlights, but I forgot to mention it last video, so I thought I'd point that out. So here it is. On the fuse box under the dash, it's gonna be that fuse. You just pull that and you'll get the AFS light off of the dash. Now we're in the engine bay looking at the back of the headlight. Here is our DRL wire, which we can just kind of tuck away. And then this is what we need to adjust. So the best thing is to be on a flat surface and point towards your garage door and take a look at before and see how you'll need to level it out. My past experience is if you turn left, it goes up. So we'll turn right to go down. We're going to line it up with the line on the garage door. That should be a nice cutoff, just like that. For this side, we need to move this out of the way, and then we can access that down there. Okay, once you get the 10mm bolt off of this, you can move it out of the way, and we're able to access this down there. We'll only need a few turns, and then we can get it adjusted. So if you had a longer wrench, this is a lot easier, but it is possible without taking the headlights out, and that's really what I wanted to show. Alright, so let's put the garage down and we can check the levels. This one needs to go down a little more. And just that a little adjustment fixed it, so there we go. Really the last thing to do is drive this at night and just see where it goes and test the high beams, and then you can just adjust as necessary, but that's how you adjust them. You do want a longer wrench, like I said, to get in there, 8mm, and then that side you can just use a ratchet or the same wrench, especially if you have a ratcheting wrench. That works even better, but that's really it. You put your airbox back and then you don't have to take apart the whole front end just to do it. Now the air box is back on, that's plugged back in, that's all bolted back on. I think that's everything. Alright, so we got the VLAN LED headlights pointed nice and straight. Of course, Jess will be testing that out at night just to make sure it's a nice cutoff and everything like that. And yeah, her car's all situated, ready to go. So that's a way that you can adjust the headlights without like taking off the bumper and everything. It's a little tight, but it's possible. Also, for those interested, Jess just started a YouTube channel, so I'll have the link for that in the description below.
Hey guys, it'll be awesome if you guys subscribe to my channel. It'll have random content and it will be bilingual as well, so enjoy.
Alright everyone, so that concludes the content on the IS250 today. Thank you, Jess, for letting me work on your car. Make sure to check out her channel in the future. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep those wheels turning.